Hello my friends, my name is Yulia, I live in Kiev. I live in a flat with my husband. I have one cat. Hello Betty. And now I want to tell you about food. About food in my fridge and kitchen cupboards. Okay, there are a lot of eggs in the fridge. There is some chocolate. There are a few cucumbers and tomatoes in the fridge. There is a lot of rice. There isn't much pasta. There is some cheese in the fridge. There are a lot of chicken. Okay. There are 3 onions on the plate. There are a lot of cups in the kitchen board. There are a few cookies in the plate. And there is little water in the curve. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.